Hello, my friends. My name is Beata and I work at the Mississauga library. Do you know that Harry Potter used an owl to deliver his mail? Well, long time ago, people could only communicate by mail, not phone or email. So an inventor named Samuel Morse created Morse code to send messages quickly. Morse code is an electronic system of communication. If you want to find out more about it, please visit our library e-resources. How does it work? It uses dots and dashes and spaces to represent letters, numbers, and punctuation. And it is recognized all over the world. SOS, or asking for help, is well-known use of Morse code. Today, I will show you how you can play during the summer and deliver fast and secret messages to your friend using Morse code. Let's have some fun. Using your voice or whistle, short, it is a dot, it's 1 beat. Long, it's 3 beats, means dash. So this is a letter E or T. 3 beats, dash. If you are camping and it's night time, you cannot scream or use a whistle. Then you can use a flashlight. Dot, dash, dot, dash. You can also make bracelet or necklace for your friend with the message using a Morse code. I made a bracelet with the name of my best friend. You start reading with the green beat and stop at the red one. White beats are separators. Blue beat is a dash. Yellow beat means dots. I hope by now you figured out my best friend's name. If you want to be friends with my best friend, please visit Mississauga Library website or one of the library location with curbside pickup. Have fun!